Hey guys, this is an 18-piece daisy balloon set. It came with one manual pump inflator, 18 daisy balloons. There are 3 huge balloons, 5 medium balloons, and 10 small balloons, ribbons, and glue. They were so cute and pretty. They looked so good for like an Easter decor that I use them for, but you could use them for birthday parties, weddings. The pump inflator was handy to use, so you like put this in the valve and just pump, and in no time you have an inflated balloon. It was so handy. They're so cute too. When you're finished, these balloons look really nice, and I would totally recommend them.